First, we turn up the switch, then plug out the thingy. Then we push this blue lever down to unlock it. Then we lift this, we slide this up to remove it. Yep, there you go. There you go. Then we remove this by lifting these three claws up. Then we press this button and
hold up.
we pull this up and to remove it.
Okay, don't forget the wrist.
Then we put on the wrist thing. So you attach it right here.
Yeah.
Then you put it on your right hand or left hand.
Yeah, we can put it on your foot if you want.
Then you unplug the fan.
Yes.
There you go. Then you get the screwdriver to unscrew the fourth screw which is attached to the fan.
Yes. How about when we're editing it? Yeah, let's just edit each own's. Like you edit your one, I edit my one, and they edit her own.
Sure.
Yeah, that's a good idea. I don't think you could like do everyone's. That'd be cheating.
There you go. And this one.
Okay.
There you go. Then we lift this up.
Okay.
And then
You don't even need to lift the lever up. There's no point.
Then we have to clean the CPU with a white paper towel and a sanitizer.
You don't really have to use the sanitizer.
Alcohol.
You just do it anyway. Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with the sanitizer, but it doesn't matter about the edges. That doesn't matter.
There you go. Then the fan. There you go.
Okay.
Then next point is the thermal paste.
Yes. Not too much.
Yeah.
Okay, that's enough.
There you go.
Okay, just put it away.
Okay.
Now the fan.
Now, yep, the fan.
That's how I get.
Well done, Caleb.
Make sure they align.
Make sure they are like parallel and line and square.
Oh, you're almost there. There, it should be good.
There you go.
Okay, now just screw it in. No, you can't yet. You're under 5 minutes.
There you go. Now, if it's parallel and
Screw it in.
line up, you screw it in.
There's so many mistakes I could fix. After this, let's just relax. What the fuck? Sorry, I'll cut it out. You're almost done.
Oh, no, that's
Yeah, you
fine.
should be good now. Don't screw it too tight. Okay, you're almost done.
You're guys gonna scoop some of the thermal paste.
Yeah, sure.
You're the boss. Do you want to taste it?
He really is the boss though.
You know what? It's a good idea.
No, don't do that. You're almost done. This is the hardest part.
There we go.
There you go. Okay, now the
Now
fan connected.
we plug the fan back in.
Mm-hmm. The fan and then the big chunky thing.
Now this one.
Yeah. And then we've done the hardest part.
Yep. Now we detach the wrist.
Oh, you're doing it perfectly.
Then we put this back in.
Okay, put it to the edge. Perfect.
Yep. Now this bit.
Yeah, like that.
Absolute genius.
Okay, now this. Just
Yep.
act like the lock works and then put it on. Yeah, like there. Put it in. Act like the lock works. Yeah, just
Now
just put
then
It's
lock
fine.
it.
Put
Yep. Plug it back in.
We are. Can we hold on? Make sure the second one didn't send, so go on to WhatsApp.
There we go. Now switch it back on.
There we go.
And the screen